Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Power Sports. Got a cool product today that I'd like to spotlight for you guys. This is MBRP's slip-on exhaust. They are great. We offer them for all of the different UTV units out there. The cool thing about these things is obviously here's a factory muffler. Here's the unique looks of the MBRP. They're easy to work with. You guys can remove and replace, bolt these things right up. No programming required. They sound great. Everybody loves these units. You also can gain at roughly 3 horsepower with just this slip-on with no programming on your UTV. Let's go check one of ours out that we actually put one on. It's going to be a 900 today. It's not our 1000 behind us right now, but I want to show you guys what these things sound like. They're pretty cool. So as you guys can see, this is an MBRP slip-on exhaust. We've actually ran this unit a few times. It's a good customer of ours on this 900. These things sound great. I actually got Cole up in here. I'm going to have him start this unit up so you guys can check it out. I'll have him rev it up a few times so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Go ahead and start that thing, Cole. So obviously, as you guys can tell here, it sounds a lot better than a factory stock exhaust. It actually makes it sound like you're the man on the trail. Go ahead and rev that thing up, Cole, so everybody can hear it. We highly recommend them. Check them out on our website, zzdiesel.com. If you have any questions about these slip-on units, give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688.